Deep in the endless universe lies an untouched miracle, the planet of Pandora. This is a vibrant world where all things coexist harmoniously, creating breathtaking natural landscapes. As night falls, Pandora transforms into a fluorescent wonderland, with every inch of land and every leaf whispering the unique stories of the planet. On Pandora, life unfolds in its most primitive and fantastical forms, with each creature bearing witness to nature's endless creativity. Here, where dreams and reality intersect, every view is filled with possibilities for exploration and discovery. Pandora, a world waiting to be discovered. Its beauty and secrets lie quietly in wait for us to explore.